is again, my lord, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, in exercise of the powers conferred by the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution and in supersession of so and so, except then these rules are framed. Can we come to 2A? Administration means the government of NCT of Delhi in respect of National Capital Territory of Delhi and Union Territory administration in respect of Union Territories of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now kindly, my lord, turn the page over. Administrator. Administrator means, Lord, LG for Delhi and administrator for the rest. Means the administrator appointed under Article 239 of the Constitution for the Union Territories of NCT, Andaman, Nicobar, so and so, so and so. Appointing authority in relation to any grade means authority empowered under the Central Civil Services classification, control and appeal rules to make appointments to that grade. So your lordship may mark on the side. Rule 9 of the Central Civil Services classification, control and appeal rules, which is, my lord, the Honourable President. Now, my lord, G, 2G. Cadre controlling authority means the Government of India in the Ministry of Home Affairs. This is the cadre controlling authority. Commission means the Union Public Service Commission. Then government means the Government of India. O. Service means National Capital Territory, that is Delhi's. Then kindly see 3, composition of service and its classification. There shall be constituted a service known as National Capital Territory of Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar. Well, kindly see 3. The post in Junior Administrative Grade 1, Junior Administrative Grade and Selection Grade shall be Central Civil Services Group A post, and those in the entry grade shall be Central Civil Services Group B post, just to show that they are central services. Now kindly come to, Lord, Rule 11 and 12. That is directly, my lord, on the point. At page 149, 151 of the PDF. Your lordships gets that, my lord Justice Nasimha. Bottom, my lord, Rule 11. Appointment to the service. All appointment to the service shall be made by the appointing authority to the Junior Administrative Grade 1 or Junior Administrative Grade 2 or Selection Grade or Entry Grade of the service, and not against any specific post included in the service. Now, posting. Every member of the service allocated to an administration shall, unless he is appointed to an ex-cadre post or is otherwise not available for holding a duty post owing to exigencies of public service, be posted against a duty post under the administration by the administrator concerned. Administrator means LG under 239.
Only in question of this eventuality.
No.
Please see, every member of the service.
Every member of the service allocated to an administration shall, unless he is appointed, he is the appointing authority. Except in those cases.
That is what.
Yes, your lordship, sir. Except in those exceptional cases, he is the administrator, namely LG, the authority. Then 30. The government shall, from time to time, allocate a member of the service to any administration for posting in terms of Rule 12. Look, this is, NX is for all these union territories, including NCT of Delhi. Unlike DAS, which can be transferred and they can be, but they should be working only in NCT. They can go to Lakshadweep, they can go to Hon'ble, they can go to any of these named territories or the states. And the government of, means the government of India here in this. 2K, but what I have read. So, cadre controlling authority is MHA, government is Government of India, posting by the administrator, and of course, departmental action also by the appointing authority. That goes without saying. Now, coming to the third, all India services. And kindly bear in mind, I am not for a second saying that control means functional control, that how you will discharge your functions. That's not the function. That is as per the transaction of business rules. If a health secretary is supposed to discharge certain functions, he has to say purchase something. Then he did not ask the health secretary of the union. He will go by the health ministry of GNCTD, the health minister of GNCTD. Control is administrative control, posting, transfer, departmental action, etc. That's the issue here. Kindly, my lord, come to page 1 of this compilation. Indian Administrative Service recruitment rules.
Page.
Page 1, the first page of the compilation. Maybe 3, my lord, PDF volume 3. These rules may be called the Indian Administrative Services recruitment rules. Then commission means UPSC, then AA. Direct recruit means a person appointed to the service, but we are not concerned. B. Joint cadre and state cadre have the meaning specific respectively assigned to them in the Indian Administrative Service cadre rules. Then E. Service means IAS. 3. Well, it keeps on adding IAS, IPS, IFS, but that we are not concerned. Here we are concerned only with the Indian Administrative Service. State means a state specified in the first schedule to the Constitution and includes union territory. Well, this came in 1958. After, my lord, 7th Amendment in 1956, union territory was here consciously added. Then state service means, kindly see, all are central services, no specific service, my lord, for individual union territory. For the purpose of filling up the vacancies in the Indian Administrative Service cadre for Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram, Union territories under Rule 9, and the following service named: A. Delhi and Andaman Nicobar Island, there is Delix. Correct, madam? Who is the That is the state civil service. That's how it is named, but it is a central civil service for all purposes. Correct, madam? Then kindly see H. State government concern in relation to a joint cadre shall consist of persons recruited to the service in accordance with provisions of these rules. Then, my lord, 4.2 may be relevant, my lord. Subject to the provisions of these rules, the method or methods of recruitment to be adopted for the purpose of filling up any particular vacancy or vacancies as may be required to be filled during any particular period of recruitment shall be determined by the central government in consultation with the commission and the state government concerned, but in case of joint cadre. Similarly, my lord, B is the strength, number of persons to be recruited. My lord, what happens is, my lord, before the advertisement is issued, my lord, all states are consulted. That what are your requirements, what are your vacant positions, and thereafter, my lord, making that assessment. That is the consultation, my lord, which the central government does. My lord, since inception, my lord, the advertisements are issued and UPSC creates conducts the examination. Then, my lord, kindly come to Rule 7. Recruitment by competitive examination. A competitive examination for recruitment to the service shall be held at such intervals as the central government may, in consultation with the commission, from time to time determine. Then, my lord, recruitment by promotion. Lord, I have already said, I need not labor much because it's not directly concerned and there would not be any dispute. Denix is the feeder cadre for promotion to all India services. Inter-India, there can be other feeder cadres also, like Maharashtra Administrative Service or Gujarat Administrative Service, etc. So now kindly come to All India Services Discipline and Appeal Rules. Page 9. PDF page 11. Kindly see 2C. Who is the disciplinary authority?